Hey guys, this is Mukin Isaac here, doing another video on Darkness Rise, and I will tell you guys how to get the crest for your character. So go to your gear, as you can see they added the crest, and yeah, for me I got this crest from open the chest, accessory chest, that's all I did. Open I think one time, 10 times. So open 10 times for at least one time, and I got the crest. That's lucky to me because trying to get the crest is sometimes difficult. So yeah, for my other character, I think it was my archer. I opened like I think 3 times on the 10, and I wasted like 9,000 gem. So yeah, I think that's like the only way to get the crest. Also, you get from the gold chest, but it's difficult to get the B gears. So yeah, that's this is like the only way to get the crest if you guys really want the crest. So yeah, another way to also get the crest is by not buying but to craft the crystal crest. That's the only way to get that crest. And the ancient, you gotta craft that too. Where you need I think you need hundreds. I'm not sure because I never craft an ancient. I always morph it. So yeah. Uh, in order to get 1,000, you gotta grind immortal raid. So just grind Sanctuary of the Dead all day, and you will eventually get enough to get the crest. But for me, I was too lazy to grind that, so I just wait for a bit until a new update come for you to get the crest easier. But that's not me. You can always buy this, rank A crystal chest. But the chance to get the crest is real low. So I wouldn't buy this. I would wait and just get 1,000 to craft that because the chance for you to get the freaking crest is so difficult. I'm telling you. So don't buy this unless you are a lucky person or you just want to test your luck. Yeah, you go for this. So, but yeah. Uh, what else? Adventure mode, same thing. You can also get the crest from here. It's S plus plus two, and you need collect 30 stars. So you gotta get all the star completed in order to get that. So yeah, but yeah, like all my character, you know, they don't have the I think my archer she have the S plus. So I just need one more S plus. I'll craft S plus plus. But yeah, the crest in this game is pretty difficult, in my opinion. So and for some people they don't have crest, I recommend just buy the accessory chest so you get a chance to get lucky. And but yeah, it's not easy to get. You just have to spend a lot of gem to get it. Like from Archer, open like 3 times, 10 times, and I wasted 9,000 gems to just get that. And yeah, but yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And hope you guys stay safe out there. Peace out.